Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you step-by-step process how you can easily change font size in Windows 11. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go on the bottom, on a start, and right click. Then go to settings. And in the system, when you're going to be here, click display. And then you're going to have the scale right here. And you can switch between 125% or 100%, completely up to you. So this is pretty much it how we do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Also, if you're gonna have, if this video helped you, you can support me, subscribe, and write down below in comments so when other people will come here. So this is how you can change the font size, and you can also have the custom scaling here. So yep, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.